Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by ds. Next, we can do about factorization by s. This one by y. Now we can do about factorization by x squared plus y squared. So we have like this. So in this situation, we will have about x squared plus y squared equals to number 0. So I will put x squared go to the right. So in this situation, we can put the square root for the both sides, and we have positive and negative with the square root of negative s squared. So we know that the square root of negative number 1 you got about 8. That is about complex unit. So in this one we see that we have negative number 1. So the square root of negative number 1 we change for 8. And the next one that is about s. Now let's go to the second one. We put about s go to the right. So I will put the s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.